This gentleman on screen is a JUTC driver slash mechanic that was killed allegedly in reprisal for the death of Bobby Nile. This man was grieving the loss of his dad. He was actually in preparation mode to bury his father, who would have died not so long ago. So this is MIKKEL again and his father. His father would have served the Jamaica Constabulary Force for an extended period of time. Slain JUTC employee was preparing to bury his dad 36 hours after transport operators were brutally killed in separate incidents on roadways in the corporate area. Scores of Jamaicans continue to grapple with the tragedies. The pain and anguish that have been associated with the tragic developments have particularly struck the Donaldson family in Portmore, St. Catherine. This is after one of their own, MIKKEL Donaldson, otherwise called Biggs, a 34-year-old Jamaica Urban Transit Company driver slash mechanic, was shot dead by a gunman in New Kingston. The death was the second to take place in the family within the past 2 weeks. Police sources said it was just earlier this month that MIKKEL's father, who was a district constable, was at home fixing his roof when he fell and was seriously injured. He was rushed to a hospital where he later succumbed to his injuries. Left to grapple with that tragic loss, MIKKEL was said to have taken on responsibility to assist with the preparations to lay his father to rest. In fact, just last Saturday, a vigil was held in memory of his dad, a senior officer from the Arthurtree police station said. And with his family preparing to bid a final farewell to the senior Donaldson in a matter of days, little did they know that things would get worse, as life was about to throw another devastating blow in their direction. The youth just about to bury his father, and to see him go to work, just get a call to tend to a bus that broke down on the side of the road, and men just drove up and shot him 12 times. He never deserved that, a distraught police officer who knew MIKKEL's father said. Authorities seeking to find answers say they have since learned that the killing of the 34-year-old JUTC employee was believed to have been a reprisal act, or an act of reprisal. Can you imagine how distraught the Donaldson family is at this time? They would have lost the senior Donaldson not so long ago in unfortunate circumstances. He was home fixing his roof, he fell, sustained injuries, he later died. His son was in the process of laying him to rest, and his life was taken allegedly in reprisal for something that he was not near, he was not involved in, and probably even at the time leading up to his death, he did not know of. That is the country that we live in. And if the allegations are true that this is a reprisal, and then you have them bird brain, donkey face man pan voice note at about more man are got dead after them kill the innocent youth who a try to feed him family, when I know nothing about no altercation, I never involved in an altercation, and them kill the youth and have the gall and the nerve to be creating voice note and circulating voice note, basically saying that anybody who is aligned to the JUTC was marked for death. That is the country that we live in. This man, innocent man, going about his job, was set upon by marauding criminals in this country based on allegations, taking his life in reprisal for one next man who really and truly, based on allegations, go give a him life. This is a sad, sad country that we live in, brother. The man probably not even hear say one next driver involved in a fatal incident with a taxi driver. And the man trying to earn his honest bread is cut down by people who claim that they might kill some people because one man killed them friend. I am sure this gentleman has children. Who now will be the father figure in these children's life? Who now will ensure that guidance is given to these children to become productive citizens of this country, as these two men, MIKKEL and his father, were? Both of them were productive members of society. Young youth, 34-year-old, are trying to make life for himself and his family. And some man who decides say, what are this man colleague, him probably not even know the man. Him probably not even ever see me. This man would have lost his life based on allegations over something else where next man do, where him no know nothing about or involved in it. Just let that soak in for a moment.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.